A delegation of over 100 farmers are expected to resume their Dilli Chalo march towards Delhi this afternoon. Farmers marching to Delhi on Friday, remember, had to pause their march after the police fired tear gas shells, stopping the farmers from reaching the national capital. Farmer leader Sarwan Singh Pandher said that 16 farmers got injured when the protest march was stopped and says that the centre is still adamant despite 300 days of protest. Listen in.
देखिए, दोनों फोरम जैसे किसान मजदूर मोर्चा और एसकेएम गैर राजनीतिक की ओर से आज 300 दिन दोनों मोर्चों को चलते हुए हो गए हैं। और दूसरा हमारा बड़ा ऐलान था कि पंजाब में जहां भी भाजपा के कोई भी पदाधिकारी केंद्र के पंजाब कोई भी आएंगे तो हम उसका विरोध करेंगे। हमें अभी मालूम नहीं सुना है सैनी साहब और गडकरी जी शायद अमृतसर जा रहे हैं। हम यहां से आह्वान करते हैं देश के किसान को, पंजाब के किसानों को, उनका विरोध होना चाहिए। अगर वो वहां जाते हैं तो पंजाब में भाजपा के जो भी अधिकारी पदाधिकारी निकलेंगे उसका विरोध किया जाएगा।
My colleague Anushka joins us with more details. Anushka, take us through the situation at the borders. The farmers are going to be resuming their protest today at about noon.
Well, certainly what we are seeing is that the farmers are going to resume their Dilli Chalo protest that they used to, they had in fact announced on December of 6th, and also what we are seeing is that the farmers gave the government a time of around 48 hours to engage with them in a conversation. But what the farmer leader Sarwan Singh Pandher has said is that they had received no notification of the government trying to initiate a conversation with them. That is why they have to resume this march on today. Also what they are saying is that they need a legal price on the MSP, and also they have said that they will keep this protest peaceful. Now remember, on December 6th, the Punjab police had used tear gas shells to disperse the farmers who were trying to march towards Delhi, but also according to Sarwan Singh Pandher only, he has said that almost 16 leaders of the farmers were injured in this whole process, and in fact one farmer even lost his ability of hearing. The police has beefed up the security in while seeing this whole protest that is going to happen today. The farmers have announced that around 12 o'clock they will be marching towards Delhi. Also the Punjab-Haryana border is beefed up with all the security deployments. 7 layers of barricadings have been put in place to stop the farmers. Last time police had used more than a dozen tear shells to stop the farmers from marching forward. Today also the farmers are saying that they are going to be keeping this protest very peaceful. They will be waving black flag against the government, and also they have in fact said that all the farmer leaders, 101 farmers are going to be marching towards Delhi today. And also keeping all of this in mind, the police have beefed up the security and also have not allowed anyone to come closer than one. Everybody has to be stopped a kilometer before the protest site, and also the police has said that nobody is allowed around the whole area where the protest is going to happen. And also what we are learning is that the farmers have said is that till now, because they had given the government time to revert back and have a conversation with the farmers, but the farmer leaders have said that the government has initiated no conversation, and because of that they are resuming the protest, and they will keep on protesting till they hear something from the government. Back to studio.